Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get Cardano using the Trust Wallet app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet app, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you can see these four buttons: send, receive, buy, and trade. Now, to get Cardano, you can either buy it or receive it from others or from a different wallet. Just tap on the one that you want, then type in Cardano, and then you can choose it, and then you will receive your Cardano QR code. And using this QR code, you can receive Cardano to your Trust Wallet. You can scan it for yourself if you want to transfer your Cardano from a different wallet, or send it to others so they can send you Cardano. And you can also copy your Cardano address, and with this address, you can also receive Cardano. Now, the second option, the set amount option, is a very interesting one, and I think it's very cool. If you tap on it, you can type in a set amount of Cardano, let's say 24, and it's going to generate you a new QR code and a new address, and with this address you can receive this specific amount of Cardano, which is a very good way for transactions or payments when you need to receive a specific amount. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.